Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. Now, the Madras High Court has dismissed a petition which challenged the constitutional validity of the online gambling ban in the state. Now, remember last month, the Tamil Nadu Assembly had passed a bill which prohibited online gambling and looked to regulate online games in the state. However, the government has clarified that the ban is yet to come into effect. Now, Jude is here with more details and the highlights of this case. Jude?
A two-member bench of the Madras High Court today dismissed a bunch of petitions questioning the constitutional validity of the Tamil Nadu government's ordinance against online gambling that it promulgated in September. Subsequent to this, the petitioners withdrew their case from the Madras High Court itself. In fact, Acting Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, T. Raja, observed, and I quote, "Which court in the world agrees to hear petitions against an ordinance that has not received the governor's signature yet? Come back to us when the ordinance becomes a law," end quote. Incidentally enough, and just to give you context, the court was hearing a case from a bunch of online gaming companies represented by counsels Mukul Rohatgi and Arima Sundaram, while the state government was being represented by Mr. Kapil Sibal. Incidentally enough, the state government clarified that its ordinance had not become a law yet since it hadn't received the governor's signature, and it thus would not enforce the ban until it goes about becoming a law. In reply to this, counsels for the petition stated that their clients were receiving many visits that were being paid to them by officers of the state, often threatening punitive action within a week of the ordinance being promulgated. Counsel for the state government then said that it behooved the Tamil Nadu government to ensure that no such punitive action would be taken until the ordinance remains as such before it became a law. Subsequent to this, the court had asked the petitioners to withdraw and come back only after the ordinance and if it ends up becoming a law, after which this case was withdrawn from the Madras High Court itself.
All right, that's the latest on the online gaming ban. Moving on,